How to summarize long articles in Copilot. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're reading a long article and want Microsoft Copilot to summarize it for you, then first of all, open the Microsoft Copilot application on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. Now, go ahead and open the article you want to summarize and copy the text. Now, type it down or simply paste it in this text box over here. And after pasting it in, type in a simple prompt such as summarize this article or give me the key points from this article or whatever prompt you want. And just typing in summarize this article. Once you type it down, press on the black arrow button at the bottom right. And their Copilot will generate a clear summary highlighting the main ideas and important details from the article. If you'd like more information, you can continue the conversation by typing it down in the text box at the bottom. So go ahead and keep writing the prompt in the text box if you want more, and Copilot will continue helping based on the same article. So that's how you know how to summarize long articles using Microsoft Copilot. It is a great way to understand lengthy content faster, whether you are studying, working, or simply catching up on the latest news. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.